My name's Ken. Remember I came to your school and we went out with both blitzing, we went up to the Cola. Now I've got a friend here, Alan Henderson, who's going to show you a couple of insects and perhaps something a bit different to an insect before we take them into the Bugs Alive exhibition. He's our wrangler, he's our insect wrangler. He's the one who handles all the insects, he handles all the snakes, and everything we have live here. Alan is in charge of the team who looks after that.
I brought out a couple of my best friends to show you. Does anyone know what I've got here? Yeah, just over there. You're right, they are stick insects. They're insects for sure. How do we know they're insects? What would we look for to tell whether they're insects for starters? So they've got 6 legs, they've got 3 body parts too, and this particular type of insect hides in trees and blends in with its surroundings. And there's a special word, camouflage. That's right, and these are experts in camouflage. And this one we call the spiny leaf insect. It looks more like a dead, wrinkled leaf. They've actually got 2 claws on every foot, little sharp claws, and between that they've got almost a little Velcro pad. You know what Velcro is? That sticky stuff that you pull apart? And that helps them to grip onto the branches, so another place on the tree. And that's when they can blow their cover. So if there's a hungry bird sitting in the tree, they're looking for an insect scurrying around, it sees this thing going back and forth and thinks, it must be just a leaf blowing in it. We have bones inside our bodies, but these guys have their bones or the skeleton on the outside of their body. So it's all gushy on the inside, and they have a hard skin or exoskeleton, outside skeleton on the outside. And that means the only way you can grow is to basically split out of your old skeleton, shed your skin, and then grow a little bit before you set hard at the new size. And they do that many times, about 6 or 7 times before they grow to this size. So, no, they don't attack. These guys rely on not being seen. In trees, the freshest tips of the leaf. And this is Murray. He's a Victorian carpet python. So pythons have lots and lots of sharp teeth. They're all sort of like fish bones, I guess, and they're hooked and pointed back into the snake's mouth. It's their food as they sit and they wait. And they've got special kits just in below their mouth there that detect the body heat of animals like mammals and birds. So possums, rats and mice, humans, no, not humans, we're too big for them. And birds, so they can sit in the dark with no light at all and still be able to tell when food is coming past. Then what they do is really quickly they strike and they grab it with that mouthful of sharp teeth, and then they wrap their body around it. Their body is completely full of really powerful muscles. Good hat, hey? And once they wrap around it, they tighten and stop that particular animal breathing. So every time the animal breathes out and its chest gets a bit smaller, they tighten up. There we go.
No, through here, through here. Can you see something?
Yeah. Oh yeah, look!
Move around much, because if they were to move running around, a bird or a lizard could easily see them and come down and eat them.
Gordy, we never saw these. Are they real? Yeah. Look at this.
Sydney funnel web, the deadliest spider in the world.
They just soak it up and enjoy it so much. Go.